Welcome back to the next episode of ECS Motorsport Squad! Woo! That was freaking wicked! Oh yeah! Oh, living it up! Hey! That was fucking awesome! Getting her ready for the speed event series this weekend. Saturday and Sunday, long track, then short track. Basically the same round that I did this time last year. What's on the list to do preparation-wise? I am going to change out the seats that Dane and I used on Friday. And put my beautiful Cobra seat in. That one. That one just there. And then the other job is more bars. So this was pulled out when I painted the inside, and I had thought I was going to pull the dash out and tackle that job, but it's more about safety than it is about appearance. So the bars are going back in the car, especially after seeing some of the incidents of friends that I follow online and what some of their cars got up to. So safety first. And then what? Oh, and another one thing I gotta fix. This broke. It's the door handle off of the driver's side. Fortunately, I had a spare door lying around with a spare one of those on it. So that was I've done that bit already. Pretty quick fix. Happy days. Other than that, it's ready to go. Wheels are still in it from Friday. So racetrack 2 weeks in a row. practice on Sunday. Short track today. Let's day 2. Here we go. I came last yesterday, so new goal, not last. It's after lunchtime, we're heading back out. I still haven't cracked that personal best yet, but I'll see how we go. Fingers crossed. Safety first.